Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about 3 or 4 major highway projects in Jamaica. We're going to talk about Highway 2000, we're going to talk about the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project Phase 1 and 2, and we're going to talk about the expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway. So the largest road project on the way in Jamaica now is the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project Phase 1. And that is to build a highway from Harborview in St. Andrew through St. Thomas into Port Antonio in Portland. It's going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallus Bridge. And that section is to finish in August 2023. Although these deadlines change quite often in Jamaica. Then you're going to have the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000, which is also under construction and is also to be finished by August 2023. That one will take the highway from Maypen in Clarendon to Williamsfield in Manchester. And the Highway 2000 project is to build a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay. But it's been built out in phases. The Kingston to Maypen leg is finished, and now they're working on the Maypen to Mandeville leg. And they also recently announced that the Mandeville to St. Elizabeth leg, or more specifically, Williamsfield to Hodges in St. Elizabeth, will start. I'm not sure if they had said this year, but it will start once the Maypen to Mandeville leg is finished. And that leg was to finish in April 2023, but it has been put back to August 2023. So I'm not sure if that will delay the Williamsfield to Manchester leg, the Williamsfield to Hodges leg into next year. So basically the largest road project on the way in Jamaica is the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, which is the road from Harborview to Port Antonio. The other major highway project to be finished this year is the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. Now, another major highway project is to get started later this year, and that is to expand the Northern Coastal Highway from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios to a 4-lane dual carriageway, a modern highway that looks more like Highway 2000. Bypasses will be put in for 4-lane dual carriageway bypasses will be put in for Discovery Bay and Runaway Bay. Now, that project is scheduled to start later this year, and it will be the most expensive capital expenditure in modern Jamaican history, or I should say in modern Jamaica. It's going to cost $120 billion, and a roadway is there already, but the road looks more like the road we're driving on now. Although it's called the Northern Coastal Highway, it's not what we would consider a highway by the standard of today. Back in the day, our main road, they would just call it a highway. But with the building of the PJ Patterson Highway and the Edward Siaga Highway and the Portmore Expressway, a new standard has been set as to what a highway is in Jamaica. So that road is going to be upgraded, and when upgraded or expanded, it can accommodate 50,000 cars a day. As of today, how the road is now, it can accommodate 15,000 cars a day, and it has far exceeded that amount. More than 15,000 cars a day use that road. So we will keep you guys updated on that project, and as you know, we make videos every 2 weeks of all the major construction going on in Jamaica, all the main roads. So you can check us every 2 weeks, this channel I should say, and we'll give you updates every 2 weeks. So like, share, and subscribe to keep up to date with what's going on in Jamaica. Now, another highway is to be built from. Okay, so there are two other highways to be built, but these projects have not started and they have not given any date to start yet. So one is a highway from Williamsfield to Hodges. That one will be built, but no start date has been given yet, and that will be a part of Highway 2000. And the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project Phase 2 is to build a highway from Negril, where the Northern Coastal Highway ends, to Manchester, where it can connect to Highway 2000. Now there might be some changes to the alignment of that leg of the highway, because they have a highway 2000 is now going through or close to Black River. So the Negril to Manchester highway might actually run from Negril to Black River, where it will then merge with Highway 2000 instead of Manchester. So that's an update on the major highway projects in Jamaica, and we'll keep you guys updated on the projects that are on the way, which is the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project from Harborview to Port Antonio, and the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. So we'll make videos every 2 weeks until August to see if the highway is finished by that time. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.